Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and secure at home. And I also suppose you had a very good unit test. Okay. So, we have done with the unit test. We are done with our first three chapters in environmental studies, that is your EVS subject. Now, today we are going to start with a new chapter. And that new chapter's name is, you will tell me. Okay. Now, kids, tell me, do you observe any changes in the weather? What are you observing nowadays around your, near your surroundings? क्या observe कर रहे हो अपने आसपास? कैसा मौसम है? क्या क्या कर रहा है? Do you wear woolen clothes in rainy season? Do you wear rainy season? Do you wear woolen clothes in rainy seasons? No. Then how do how do you save yourself from rain? Oh, very smart kids. I know that you know the answer. You wear raincoats, okay? You use umbrella, okay? You use gumboots, okay? If you see the news, you can see in Mumbai there's so much of flood, yes? And people are, having their umbrellas and, wearing gumboots, wearing their, big giant raincoats to save themselves from the rains. So, today our next chapter which we are going to study in EVS is chapter number 4, clothes. Okay. Now, we will start with, can you see this? What kind of clothes is this? Okay. What kind of clothes are you seeing? Can you see a cap? Can you see very simple, and open sleepers and loose clothes, very bright colors? In which season do we wear such kind of clothes? We wear shorts, we wear frocks, everything is very light and easy to carry. Which season do we wear these kind of clothes? Summer season. Yes, very good. So, clothes are one of our basic needs, just like food and water. We have already studied about food chapter. So similarly, like how food and water is important, even clothes are important for us. Okay. And we wear clothes to cover our body and to protect it from rain, heat, cold, mosquitoes and etc. Okay. So we wear clothes to protect our body, okay, from different things and various things, from whichever things are there in our surrounding. Okay. Whenever you are going in hot summer out, hot summer day, when you are going out, there is a scorching heat which can burn your body. So to protect yourself from that scorching heat, you wear cotton clothes so that your body is protected from that heat, right? So we are going to study that clothes worn in summer. Now we wear cotton clothes in summer. What fabric do we wear in summer? We wear cotton clothes in summer. Now cotton clothes help us to keep our body cool, okay? In summer when it is very hot, what your body needs to be kept cool. So in that, which clothes help us? Cotton clothes, okay? So cotton clothes we wear in summer. Okay, here are some examples. We have also seen the image. Can you see the cap, the slippers, the loose clothes, right? So we wear what kind of clothes in summer? We wear shirt, then we wear frock, we wear skirt, then pants, loose pants and shorts. Okay, this kind of clothes we can wear in summer. Then next comes Venki lives in Chennai. It is always hot there. Now Venki is your friend, okay, and he stays in Chennai, okay, and it's always hot there. अब Venki जो है चेन्नई में रहता है, हमेशा वहाँ पे गर्मी रहती है. That is why he mostly wears cotton clothes. So there जहाँ पे भी temperature गर्म रहता है, okay, so the people need to protect themselves from hot atmosphere or weather. They tend to wear always what? Cotton clothes. जब भी गर्मी ज़्यादा होती है तो आप कौन से कपड़े पहनते हैं? Cotton. Okay. We get cotton from cotton plants. Cotton thus obtained is spun into yarns. Clothes are then made from these yarn. Okay. Now how do we get cotton? We get it from cotton plants. So first we have cotton from cotton plant. Then we take the cotton as a fruit of that plant and then it is taken to the factories, okay, where it is converted into a thread. Okay, so from cotton plant we take the cotton and then it's taken to the manufacturing unit or the factory, from where it is converted into a thread, and after that thread it turns into a cotton cloth or fabric. Okay, तो जब आप सबसे पहले क्या होता है, हाउ डू वी गेट कॉटन, हाउ डू वी गेट कॉटन क्लोथ्स, पहले वो कॉटन प्लांट्स पे जो कॉटन उगता है उसके जो कॉटन है उसे हम ले लेते हैं, राइट जो फार्मर है वो कॉटन प्लांट्स को उगाता है, राइट वो कॉटन प्लांट्स को उगाता है, उसके बाद में वो कॉटन को सेल कर देता है, तो इस तरीके से वो कॉटन प्लांट से अलग होके मार्केट में आ जाती है। उसके बाद ये कॉटन जो है वो बड़ी बड़ी फैक्ट्रीज में जाता है, राइट वो फैक्ट्रीज में कॉटन को हम किस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, कॉटन थ्रेड में, ठीक है वो सब कॉटन थ्रेड्स फिर दूसरी यूनिट में जाते हैं जहाँ पे कपड़े बनते हैं, ठीक है और वहाँ पे वो जो कॉटन का जो धागा है वो कपड़े में बदल जाता है। बहुत सारे कॉटन के धागे को एक साथ मिला के हम कॉटन क्लॉथ बनाते हैं, एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू वेयर इन योर summers. Okay, that cloth you can turn into a kurti, you have everything for that cotton, right every cloth you have for that cotton fabric, right now next what kind of clothes are you seeing, can you see a muffler, then you see a woolen cap, then you see a woolen jacket. Which season is this, winters? Okay, it's my favorite season. I like winters very much because you love to wear that cute caps, right? Okay, so clothes worn in winter. We wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves from cold weather. If you visit Shimla, Manali, there it's very cold, right? And people tend to always wear woolen clothes over there. Why? Because it's very cold and they need to keep their body warm. Okay, so what kind of clothes do we wear in winter season? We have pullovers, that is sweater, we also call them pullover, or we call them sweater, or we also call them jersey, right? Then we have muffler, then we have gloves, then cardigan, then we have caps. Okay, basically pullover is for gents or males and cardigan is for females or girls, right? And then we have woolen caps, right? Then wool is used to make woolen clothes. Now as we saw cotton, from that cotton we get cotton clothes. Similarly in winter clothes we have wool, and from that wool we get woolen clothes, right? We get wool mainly from sheep. We get wool from which animal? We get it from sheep. Some other animal that provides us wool are rabbit, goat and yak. Now some other animals other than sheep we also get wool from rabbit, goat and yak. Okay, these animals mainly you will mainly see these animals in the colder regions. Okay, more in the north regions you can see yak in the northern part more often, जहाँ पे भी ठंडी ज़्यादा होती है वहाँ पे ये animals ज़्यादा मिलते हैं, because क्योंकि उनका भी body वैसा है. Okay, so that is why जहाँ पे ठंडी ज़्यादा होगी वहाँ पे sheep ज़्यादा होंगे, वहाँ से ही हमें wool मिलेगी और उस wool से हम अपने woolen clothes बनाएंगे. And why do we wear woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes to protect our body from the cold weather. Very good. Okay, I hope you have understood this properly. Okay, now next, what do you see this? Oh, it's a beautiful umbrella, then beautiful gum boots, then beautiful color raincoats. Oh my god, many of the children love going out and sprinkling themselves into the water. That is rainy season. Yes. Okay, so you can see that rainy season, we are actually now observing rainy season near. Okay, we are actually having rainy season nowadays. Okay, now clothes worn in rainy season, clothes that protect us from rain are collectively called rainwear, sorry. I'm so sorry. Clothes that protect us from rain are collectively called as rainwear. That means there is not one single thing, but there are different collection of things which can be worn during the season, and that's why it's called as rainwear. Okay, these include raincoat, jacket, rain pants, etc. Rainwear is made up of waterproof materials such as rubber and plastic. We also wear gumboots to protect ourselves from the rain. Okay, you can see the example of all these clothes which are worn in rainy season. We can see the raincoat, jacket, then rain pant, and then gumboots. Rain pant is basically the complete suit. Okay, जो पूरा सूट आता है, ऊपर जैकेट आएगा, नीचे पैंट आएगा, and it's all completely similar to that of raincoat is called that rain pant. Okay, then we have gumboots, that big jumbo shoes, okay, made up of plastic or rubber, okay, to protect the feet from the water. Okay, and then we have this raincoats, okay, which you beautiful raincoats which you wear and you come to school, but now you have to stay at home and stay secure, right? So I hope you all have understood what we wear in rainy season, and collectively it is called as rainy wear. जो हमारे collectively जो हम कपड़े rainy season में पहनते हैं उसको हम rain wear बोलते हैं, right? Now there is this example given here in your textbook which says that a silk clothes are quite common. Silk is obtained from silkworms. Now your mother must be wearing beautiful silk sarees. Okay, you're going to some parties and your mother is dressing up very beautifully in a silk saree. Now from where that soft silk saree is coming from? It's coming from a silk worm. Okay, then again it's taken to a factory, it's converted into a silk yarn, and after that it goes to another factory where it's converted into a silk cloth. ठीक है, जो सिल्क फॉर्म कीड़े होते हैं वो अपना कुकून यानी उनकी जो स्किन है वो रिमूव करते हैं. वो जब रिमूव हो जाती है उसको कलेक्ट करके हम उसका धागा बनाते हैं, विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज सिल्क यार्न, and then that silk yarn is converted into a silk cloth which we can see in the form of a sari or a dress material, right? Okay, so in this we are studying till here. This would be a part 1 where we have studied the 3 seasons and the types of clothes which we wear in 3 seasons. Okay, now just a quick revision. Clothes worn in summer, and how do we get clothes? How do we get cotton clothes? We get it from cotton plant converted into cotton, then converted into cotton yarn, and then cotton cloth, right? Then we saw the woolen clothes, then we get it from the animals such as sheep, rabbit, goat and yak. Okay, and then we saw the rainy season or the rainy season clothes, or we can say the rainwear. Okay, and they are a collection. Okay, collectively the clothes which are worn in this season are called as rainwear. And which are they? Raincoat, jacket, rain pant and gumboots, and we also use umbrella for that, right? And in the last we also studied about silkworm and silk cloth. Okay, something new which we learned today was about the silk cloth. And how do we get this silk cloth? We get it from the silkworm. Okay students, so this was your chapter 4 clothes part 1. Monday you will be getting part 2 where we will study more about clothes. Okay, different religions, different uniforms, how clothes are different everywhere. Okay, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ सीजन्स में ही आप अलग अलग कपड़े पहनते हैं, कभी कभी अलग अलग रिलीजन जगह पे भी अलग अलग कपड़े पहने जाते हैं, राइट? सो मंडे विल बी कमिंग बैक एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग द वीडियो फॉर द further part, right? That is your part 2. Okay, thank you. Till then, stay safe, stay secure and keep studying. Okay, bye.